Well, maybe once we get more confident, only 5 minutes. Okay, so we're just gonna review them real fast, but I feel like y'all did so good. So how would I say decimal 01?
0 point.
No, how would I say that with my place value in mind?
0 decimal.
Is it tens, hundreds, thousands? 100.
Well, I don't know
Okay.
that. What do you
That's okay, we can write it out. Let's write it out. So we have our decimal, yes? There's our decimal. This place,
Are you sure that's a decimal?
I'm positive.
You're positive.
I'm positive, okay? This is the tens place, okay?
It has a hole in the middle of it.
It's hard because the expert draws over it. This,
Hundreds.
what's next?
Hmm?
Tens?
Thousands.
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 Hey.
Okay,
Quadrillions.
so then how would I say? How would I say this?
0, tenths, and 100.
No.
What? Tenths
You
and
put the
hundreds.
0.
1
100.
hundredths.
You put the 0
1
and the 10,
100ths.
and then the 1 and the 100.
Okay, so let's look at the next one. So we had, how would I say this?
0.
I don't say 0.1.
Why?
I
You
don't.
say the point.
I don't say 0.1.
One
Just in a
and
mathematical way. 1/10.
C.
1/10. Because see, it's in the tenths place. Okay?
Tens.
Okay, y'all did so good on that. I'm so proud of y'all. Okay. So let's move on if I can find mine. Just gotta brag on y'all a little bit, okay?
Yeah.
I don't know where my eraser went, so let me go grab one over here real fast.
To the bathroom.
Not at the moment.
Not at the moment.
Not at the moment.
Say yes when like a bunch of people are looking.
Okay. I got my eraser now. Okay. So let's talk about, we're talking about my pretty sign. Do you like my pretty sign? Do you like Hudson?
Did it take you a long time?
No, it did not take me a long time. It was fun to do though. It's like I'm coloring, okay? So we're talking about the benchmark percentages. Do you know why they call them benchmark percentages?
No.
Because they're basic.
They're basic, they're common, okay? They're like the most common percentages you're gonna come across anywhere, okay? We do the 25, 50, 75, 100 because of quarters.
1/2.
Hudson's right, okay?
3/4.
Yeah, so let's go through them. So
1/2.
25% of a number is always
1/4.
1/4 of the number. Hudson, will you say the next one? 50% of a number is always 1/2 of the number. Okay, you're gonna say the next one, Adeline. 75% of a number is always
3/4.
3/4 of a number.
I said between
And then
No,
Hudson,
they're not.
10% of a number is always
1/10.
1/10 of a number. Now I kind of made this because we're gonna, obviously we know we're working on this in class. You know, we're working on this in class, okay? But I wanted you to have a tool when you're in here too, so that you can refer back to, because I know we have our books, the one in our notebooks in there, but we don't have our notebooks in here, okay? So I have the little rule. So if it's 25%, 1/4, what do we do, Adeline? We'll just say right there.
Divide.
Divide by
4.
4.
4.
Hudson, what did I do for 50%?
Two.
Divide by 2. Interesting. 4. 2.
You want to know something?
What do I do for 75%, Adeline?
Divide by 4. Multiply by 3.
Yeah, divide by 4, multiply by 3. And Hudson, what do I do for 10%?
Divide by 10.
Divide by 10.
And by the way,
Yeah, what's your interesting thing?
I wonder why is it 1/4 and 3/4? Maybe because someone said at the beginning 25 is 1/4
Mhm.
and 75% is 3/4.
You're right, Hudson. I'm wrong for listening. Even though I said some sarcasm in there.
A little much sarcasm.
A little much sarcasm. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna run through a scenario with you with some blocks, and then I'm gonna give y'all. You can work together if you want to.
Yeah.
So I wanted it to be like a group thing, but I know we did lose
Yeah,
some
to be
people today.
quicker.
Huh?
To be quicker.
Yeah. So it's up to you. Well, not necessarily quicker. I want to make sure you understand. Okay. So let's do this first one. I'll
What
write the
happened
scenario.
to the like other blocks that like they used to use at school? Like they were like different blocks and they were
like
they
bigger?
had this. Yeah, they were bigger and they had like circles.
Like the giant Lego block.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I don't know. You know, I just got here, so. Okay, so 25% of 64. Are you trying to still read notebook? Okay, I thought you were trying to. I thought I felt some sneaky out of line happening. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm gonna use my benchmark percentage of 25% for this one, okay? So 25%. How do I make 100?
Grab 100 cubes.
Good 100.
Not if one cube
Grab 40
represents
cubes.
25%. How many
One.
cubes do I need?
You need 4 cubes.
4. I need 4 cubes. Okay. I'm gonna draw a little ratio table while we're doing this too, so we have more than one tool for our brains. Okay. So what are the two things that we're comparing? What would be my two categories in my ratio table?
25 and 64.
Yes, but
Did you know
25%,
25 what?
and then just my number because I don't have they're not a labeled number, okay? So I know that 100% is 64, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to find 25% of 64. So how do I get from 100 to 25?
Divide by
3.
25.
4.
Divide by 4.
I was
What
gonna
is
say
our?
divide by
I
4,
should say
but that
divide
makes no
by
sense.
4.
Yeah, but 4 makes no sense.
How does 4 not make any sense? 25,
26.
50, 75, 100. It took me 4 25s to equal 100.
Yeah, but that would be all your. Never mind.
Are you sure?
Mhm.
Are you sure? So I have my cubes. Here, I can put on top of this eraser so you can kind of see them. Because they are small. Okay, so I know I need to divide my other side by 4. 64 divided by 4. Is that a common fact that we know? No, and that's okay. We can solve it together. So 64.
Hard. I don't know why.
It can be, but I know it could be easier for you, okay? I want to build that confidence up with the division because I know it seems daunting, okay?
Yeah.
It does seem haunting.
Can 16 go into 6? Can any
No.
group of 16 go into 6?
No.
Why can't it?
Because there are numbers.
Well, 6 is smaller than 16, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
How many times can 16 go into 64?
5.
5 times?
Mm-hmm.
4.
You want to try both just to check?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try both. So let's try 5. So 6 times 5 is?
Huh?
What is 6 times 5? 30?
I didn't get that so fast. I literally have to count my friends.
It's okay.
Just right there.
5 times 1 is 5.
5 times 1 is 5. So
After 8.
Adeline, tell me what 5 plus 3 is.
8.
8.
Knew it.
Okay, so that's too big,
Yeah, I told you.
unfortunately. So let's try 4. Okay, what is 6 times 4, Adeline?
6.
24.
24.
Big brain.
Okay, tell me the rest, Hudson. 4 times 1.
Huh?
4 times 1.
4 times 1 is 4. And
Plus
then
2?
2 plus 2 is 6.
Who said 4? So 4 times. So we know that it's 16. I think I did that backwards. I gave you the answer ahead of time, but that's okay. 16. Okay. So each of my cubes represents 16.
Hey, Miss Watkins.
Yes.
How do you, but, do you even, like, go to, like, to visit your school?
Mm-mm.
24.
It's on.
It's 16. 16.
Mm-hmm. So 16 is 25%. 1 cube is worth 16. I know that's small. Let's see where I wrote 16 on there. Okay, how do we feel about that? Like if I give you a scenario,
I could be it.
you're ready to do it?
No.
You want to do another one
Halfway.
together?
No.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, I mean we can do another one
No.
together. I like doing them.
Actually, yeah. Do it.
Okay, we'll do one more together, and then I have some for y'all to do.
Okay.
Does that sound like a plan?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's erase that. That's kind of hard to do. Okay, so our next one is, okay,